Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the NBA app error. So let's get started. So here we can see the NBA app. If it shows the error, you have to follow this simple method. Just press and hold right here. Then here you have to click on this I button. It will open the app info. Okay. So here when we'll see the app, you have to scroll down at the last. Then you have to click on the storage. Just click on clear data. Just delete it. Okay. Then you have to go back and just open NBA. If it's work for you, then it's fine. If it's not work for you, then you have to check for an update. Just go to the Google search bar, okay, and search for the NBA app. From here you have to just click on the update and update it and use it. So by this way you can do it. It's a very easy process. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.